AI workers are starting to look absurdly cheap. One same-day SaaStr headline put a number on it. Two AI VPs for marketing and customer success cost $254 last month. That is the kind of number that makes every founder pause. Not because AI is replacing a whole executive team tomorrow. It is not. But because it changes the question. The old question was, can AI do useful work? The new one is, if AI work is this cheap to run, where does the real bill move? Here's the mechanism. An AI worker is not priced like a person. It is priced like a machine that wakes up, reads context, calls tools, writes drafts, checks databases, sends messages, and burns tokens every time it thinks. So the salary line may look tiny, but the meter does not disappear. It moves into model usage, workflow software, approvals, data access, monitoring, and human review. That is why the $254 number matters. It is not proof that you can replace a vice president for dinner money. It is proof that pieces of white-collar work are becoming metered operations. Take a marketing AI worker. It can scan campaign results, draft emails, summarize customer feedback, suggest social posts, and prepare a weekly plan. Useful? Absolutely. Magical? Not really. The valuable part is that it does the boring middle layer without waiting for a meeting. Pull the numbers, draft the first version, spot the broken funnel, hand the human a cleaner decision. That is a real shift. But it creates a new management problem. If you hire a person, the monthly cost is painful but predictable. Salary, benefits, software seats. If you hire an AI worker, the cost depends on behavior. How often does it run? How much context does it load? Which model does it use? Does it call one tool once or loop through the same vague task 15 times? So the next phase of AI operations will look less like buying software and more like running a tiny factory. You need budgets per agent, permission rules, logs, shutdown switches, and a way to ask the uncomfortable question, did this agent create value, or did it just produce very confident busy work? That is where the hidden bill lives. Not only in tokens, in coordination. The winners are not the companies with the most AI job titles. The winners are the companies that turn agents into reliable workflows. A clear, small team can get real leverage here. Customer success notes become renewal risks. Marketing notes become campaign tests. Sales calls become follow-up drafts. The human still decides, but the prep work gets cheaper. The trap is comparing a $254 usage bill to a six-figure salary and declaring victory. That is too easy. The fair comparison is the AI worker plus the human reviewer plus the tool stack plus the mistakes plus the management layer against the work it actually replaces. Sometimes that equation will look amazing. Sometimes it will look like a cheap intern with an expensive habit of opening every app in the building. Over the next few months, the metric to watch is not how many AI employees do you have. It is which business process now has a meter. Marketing research has a meter. Support triage has a meter. Lead enrichment has a meter. Internal reporting has a meter. Once work becomes metered, managers optimize differently. They decide which tasks deserve the stronger model, which can run overnight, which need approval, and which agents should be killed because they sound productive but do not move revenue, retention, or speed. So my read is simple. Do not treat the $254 story as a replacement fantasy. Treat it as a warning label. AI workers may be cheap enough to experiment with, but they are not free employees. They are metered workflows with a personality on top. If you run a team, start smaller than an AI VP. Pick one repetitive process, define the output, put a usage cap on it, require human approval. Then ask the only question that matters. Did this save real human time, or did it just create a prettier dashboard? The companies that win will not be the ones with the funniest AI job titles. They will be the ones that understand the meter before the meter understands their budget.